Everyone can be creative whether they realize it or not. A lot of people tend to think that creativity is binary. Either you have it or you don't. But in reality, we do all have it. It's just a matter of how you interpret it. Some people think, I'm not an artist, so I don't use creativity at work. But it's more than just artistic expression. Whether you're working in retail, or you're in an office job, or even if you're a professional athlete, you're probably using creativity to make decisions and solve problems on a daily basis. Creativity is both a skill and a process. It's something you can learn. And like any other skill, it's something you can get better at through practice and repeated use. Now, you might think, well, I don't have time to sit down and create something every day. This is where it's important to realize the difference between using creativity and actually creating something. In a lot of ways, creativity is all about how you see things. So yeah, you can use it to create poems or paintings, but you can also use it in practical ways, like coming up with an alternate solution for a work project or organizing things in your home. So the next time you think, I'm not creative, or I'm not as creative as some other people, take a step back and really take a look at what it is you do on a day-to-day basis. You might be surprised at how often you're using creativity.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.